Hello everyone. Today we are standing here just opposite to the Portsmouth harbor. So there is a big celebration or big ceremony here today because Royal Navy's aircraft carrier massive big ship is coming back to the Royal Navy base in Portsmouth. It's passing just in front of us and it is surrounded by too many other boats, at least 8 to 10 boats. It is heading towards Portsmouth. It's Portsmouth Royal Navy base, and one more ship is already standing there. This one is coming back from France. It went there for some repair work and today it's coming back. So people are here because everyone knows that it is coming back, and it is one of the largest ship in the world. This kind of ships just America, Russia and UK, very few countries those have these kind of ships. So this is one of the largest ship in the world. So it is the arrival of Royal Navy ship.